Hi guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in a contest. You have to find the hidden question in the video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Opportunity to get his or query solved by direct communication, by direct discussion in a comment. They can ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 12 hours of the uploaded video. I will also
Video I will teach you how to make the amplifier part 2. This amplifier I am using a TDA 2030 IC, combiner IC. Now show circuit first. Close the circuit. There are wait. There are circuit audio audio input left and right is a mono mode amplifier, not a studio mode. So input left and right to the internet, left and right it is not matter. When one microphone capacitor negative, capacitor positive, electrolytic capacitor positive to pin number 1, as well as 10 kilo ohm to ground and 10 ground to 10 to 1 kilo ohm to 22 microfarad capacitor to pin number 2 and pin number 2 to 22 kilo ohm resistor to pin number 4. 3 is ground and pin number 5 is positive. And 4 output, that is speaker ground also, that is speaker positive negative terminal that 22 kilo ohm series is 1 to 4. And this capacitor is 1 to 4. I have not. It is under nanofarad capacitor. I am instead under nanofarad to 1 microfarad, which means 1000 nanofarad. Never circuit split. Circuit. So this is a. I have no backboard. I am using alligator clip. You know, these circuits are long period of circuit. It is use large amount of alligator clip, and there are little bit showing messy, but this is a circuit. I'm using a 12 volt 2 ampere charger to connect right there. Pin number 3, ground. This means negative charger. Charger positive to pin number 5. 3 connected to as well as speaker negative, as well as let me see circuit again. So I'm as well as this capacitor. This capacitor 10 kilo ohm. One connected as this resistor plus this capacitor is this speaker with this yellow wire. I think this yellow wire. It go to down to this one, that's right there, and this wire also go with me to this pin number 4, pin number 3, that is ground as well speaker ground as well resistor to the capacitor, and pin number 1 also connected as resistor this 10 kilo ohms, and another point connected to pin number 1 connected this 1 microfarad capacitor. This is downside of table. I think I now see so circuit are working. This is the capacitor right there, 1 microfarad 50 volt, and these are all circuits. I am so one other trip set. Let's go fast. When you made a speaker, one this type of TDS speakers, one way to use and find how speaker are work or not, just touching the lead of the pin. See, let me see. The speaker vibrate when I touch it. It is generate a sound, which means speakers are fine. It is the first method which safe method with touch, a finger touch to identify speakers are working or not. But I am not recommending their charger. Charger is electricity supply. When you touching, may it receive an access shot. But there are transformer charger. It is safe, but I am not recommending it at all. And I also made a this style of TV circuit, so there are safe to do this. Otherwise, expensive tool. This circuit may be killed. I not recommending your new phone or new thing if you not able to connect your new device. It is 100% clean your device. We can first make identify with finger touch and Other tasks with low task device, not expensive tool. Now that results, let me see. This foam is a bouncing. Line of foam is bouncing, and this is very high efficiency. I think it is not here in camera, but it is very loud sound. Camera is not. It is my maybe last test contest. I am. Many people are not displaying my contest, so that's why this is my last test. If you like to more, if you like to more about contest, you can apply this contest, and it is a bigger benefit. You can ask me any type of project, electrical and chemical related, in any type of video contest. It will not matter. And quickly, I hope this at 36 or 42, 48 hours I am leaving for this contest. Hopeful, quickly answer and tell your project. So I already made a project too much, which means less work on left. So if you have idea to which project I made for upcoming videos, so I got it in my mind. I already made it. So few are left. But if you have any idea or question about projects, you can tell it me. I am made in under 1 or 2 hours. And this video is end with next video very soon. On the way, I made a timetable, which means every 3 days break after I uploaded a video, which means one day video upload, made an upload, and 2 days rest, and 3 days I again working a project, and when project is passed, I upload a video and third and fourth day every, and so this video is end with our next video very soon. We have night, so night is not possible, not of light too much, so that's why I am Twitch video made there are night, so that's why. By the way, I am following my contest. Today's video contest is two contests. What is capacitors do? What is a capacitor and capacitor do? Why make a capacitor in circuits for smoothing voltage, removing inlastant, voltage filter, current filter, R, R low pass and high pass filter? What's your opinion? And I'm excited to that. What is formula of ethanol? In this video I made a sanitizer, so that's why I'm using sanitizer is a main thing of ethanol. That's why I am today's question is I will ask you what is the formula of ethanol. You can know what is the formula of ethanol. You can see my previous videos. I made a lot of videos about ethanol and everything. 69 videos in my channel.